today I'm going to talk about the Nongshim Shin Ramyun noodle soup, which is my first experience with Korean culture back 20 years ago, which had led me into more into K-beauty and also food. There is the soup base and the mixed dehydrated vegetables. The noodles come in round shape, which is how it looked since 10 years ago. Cooking them is actually easy and straightforward. I really like the taste of the soup and also the tangy scent of kimchi. The noodles are just soft and springy and I really like them. The portion is okay. And you can add in instant cheese, which is how most Koreans eat their instant noodles. I still like them, and I would recommend to try them out. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.